Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be touching on a new topic here that I haven't introduced to video yet, non-perfect repairs. Now, does your vehicle have some extreme damage or some type of paint damage in it as well that you just want the metal straightened or to make it not look like such a big eyesore? Well, that's great. Take a look at this footage here. This is a 2015 Infiniti QX80. It's got a pretty big dent here, as you can see, but the deep scratches that are in the panel, the customer is very well aware that those would remain after the repair was done. And realistically, he was only looking for about an 80% improvement, and we're more than happy to do that for him to save the customer a little bit of money. And it was a lease turn-in, so he wasn't looking for perfection, and that's okay with us. Here's some pictures looking at what we have to take apart: the inner trim and the taillight, and we're starting off with the repair. Here's a look at the start of the repair process. We've got a heat gun on there, applying anywhere from 160 to just under 200 degrees of constant heat in order to make this damage come out. We also had to use a couple shrinking techniques with this metal. When it's hit that hard and gets that deep, there's actually quite a few techniques we have to use in order to get it to lay flat again. So we're just slowly working this metal back out. As you can see, there's no type of popping or any type of dry ice usage of any kind. It's just specialized tools pushing the metal back out into its original shape. It's a very, very repetitive process. This is multiple hours of repair footage shrunk down in order for you to enjoy it. Here's a look at the finished results on this liftgate of this Infiniti. As you can see, there's a couple scratches still remaining in it, as we talked about prior to the repair video. And it's got a couple waves and wiggles in it, which, as we said prior, the customer was wanting about an 80% improvement, and he was more than happy to touch it up after the fact. He just wanted the big bulk meat of the dent out, and that's what we were able to achieve here with Paintless Dent Repair. So if you've got any similar damage in your car, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video.